If time is something you think you never have enough, is something you constantly lack, and you think that production and product design is something time-consuming, please take a step back. I will bring you to a place you'd rather be. My name is Gunther. I'm your guide. With order dressing, I bring you on the fast lane to an excellent product design you were never dreaming of. You know that customer requirements are very demanding. More and more requirements, you have specific requirements, unique requirements, sometimes even exquisite requirements. And currently it takes up to 2 weeks to create all the bill of materials, the lists, the calculations, the discussions forth and back. With order dressing, you get all the details you need to produce with all the requirements that are needed for your production in 10 seconds. It means we bring it down from 2 weeks down to 10 seconds. And how is that possible? Order dressing is rule-based and characteristic-based. That means with the click of a button, you have all the details you need. First, we determine the routing from casting, hot rolling, cold rolling, heat treatment, down to cutting and packaging. Second, we calculate the material demand. The material demand in quantity and dimension for each production step on the input side and the output side. In the third step, we then define and elaborate the quality requirements. That means the chemical requirements and the mechanical properties. We define where to test, at which production step, which tests have to be performed, but also which inspections are required at which place. In the fourth step, we then add the process and production instructions. That could be rolling speeds, annealing curve, cutting plan, packing instructions. And in the fifth step, we then add time information. We calculate the time for one production step, but also the time between two processes. So having all the information, how much material, in which quantity, in which quality, at which production step, and how much time is needed, we can add costs easily as a parameter to have all the costs calculated within the second. That means that order dressing provides all the information you need in all the details that are required for your production, for any kind of product, even for new requirements within 10 seconds. So it strips it down from 2 weeks down to 10 seconds. Time you can perfectly use to be at places you'd rather be, or for more important things like strategy or optimization. Thank you for listening, and if you have further questions, please contact us at info@psimetals.de.